And we are back in my garage with our first project for all you Taquaches cuz. Got something special for y'all. Today's video we're gonna be installing a
Forever Sharp steering wheels.
Yo, you gonna fuck with my floor?
Oh shit.
I'm just playing.
It's cardboard, boy. I had already opened it before. So. Comes with a cool little scent thing. Hub, the centerpiece, the horn.
Whip out that wheel.
Quita la mera cut. Yeah.
That looks nice.
It's nice, huh?
Gotta touch it.
Yeah, touch it.
Okay, I touched it.
But yeah, bro, I'm excited.
Don't you think this is gonna be hot back here?
Fuck yeah. That's why I got that 3% tint, boy. Ain't no sun gonna hit.
Oh yeah, if you don't notice, he has 3% tint on his windshield, windows, and back windshield.
Everything 3%.
Everything 3%. So at night, you can't see anything.
Like, it's raining outside. When I leave here, oh, never mind. I can't even say that. I can't leave. I can't see shit. I'm blind.
Yeah. It's literally like if they just spray painted the windshield.
Yeah.
It's like, that's how it kind of sees from the inside. Look at that. It's so dark.
Do I was coming right here? Now we gotta take off this hub. Takes like mine has 3 to 11 minutes. This is already aftermarket, so I don't know about the stock one.
Alright guys, so you need a 21 mil to break loose the steering wheel.
And a big motherfucker.
And a big breaker bar.
Even though it's already loose.
It's already loose?
We just found it like this in the toolbox, so I felt too lazy to take off the socket and put it on.
You gotta make sure you have all the leverage all the time.
Even though we don't need it.
I don't think it was even tight.
It was not.
What if it's just stripped?
Yo, chill. And then boom, cut. Ya sabe, cut. Si no más cut. Sale el cut. Y nos vamos cut. Is this supposed to come off? No. This holds the clock shit. What is this?
It's something important.
Cause this shit was on just like that.
And just put it on just like that. My bad.
I guess this is just like an adapter or something if it needs it.
Oh, you know what this is?
What?
Look at it. It's actually Mickey Mouse. It has the Mickey
No, my man. This guy. Why you always playing games, bro? Boom. And then boom.
The steering wheel's gonna be like right at your chest.
That's how it was before.
Oh really?
I be driving like this. It's cause we got the big ass 12s in the back. You know? Son desmadre, right?
So explain to the guys and girls what you're doing.
Put it on the hood. Trying to get this bolt to go in, but it's hard as hell. Probably cross-threading, but
Tight is tight.
we sending the bit in, you know? Apretar la perra.
That's probably good, no?
I don't know.
I feel like you're gonna break it.
Let me just stop. Alright, we good. That's tight as
So
fuck.
there's 3 bolts in the hub. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's all it is that holds it on.
And the center one.
In the center.
Wait, you know this one? That's right here.
Oh, that's the lug nut, right?
Yeah. That's it. Let me go get the 21.
So after you have the hub on, now you go in and torque the block nut to how much torque spec?
To whatever you feel like. To whatever God tells you to stop, you know?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, no mames, güey, ya, para la verga, no mames. I think that's enough.
In my mind, missing the fights. I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah.
All right, you friend. So give me a rundown on your truck.
It's a 1992 C1500. You know, it's basic 350 engine. Lowered in the back like 2 inches, I guess. That's how I got it.
All right. What are your future plans on the truck?
Shoot. I want to do like a 5.360 swap. You know, basic, fat cam. Just, you know, fix the interior up. It's all nasty.
So pretty much restore it.
Restore it, yeah.
Were you telling me that you want to do like drop knuckles in the front, lower them some more?
For now I'm gonna do a 5.7 drop. And then after that, after I get like my money up more, I want to do bags. It's expensive to do bags though, but probably do some crazy wheel setup like 26s. But yeah.
What made you get this truck?
I've always wanted one since I was, you know, a little young paisa, but I always wanted one. But they'd be expensive. I guess I got a somewhat good deal. Not really, honestly.
You don't have to tell them how much you got it for.
I'm just,
if you don't want to.
That's all I'm saying. You know, had blown. Well, it wasn't even blown yet. The trans was bouncing around, making retarded ass noises, but I got it rebuilt like a month later after I bought it. I've only had it for like 6 months, so yeah. All I've gotten for a truck really is all brand new headlights, corner lights, tail lights, and a bed cover. And now our steering wheel. That's all I've done to it. I've been focusing on my other car.
All right, but serious note. Here's a real question. Are you at Tequacha Cuh?
With the Tequacha Cuh. What?
Are you?
Oh, am I at Tequacha Cuh?
Yeah.
Hell no. My mama gonna be like, why are you part of pandilla?
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know, a nice, quick, simple video. Really not much to it, just replace the steering wheel on the OBS truck. Stay tuned for more videos on this truck. Coming pretty soon.
Coming soon.
Yep, that's gonna come
video
soon.
On that.
Also, we're gonna do a video on redoing his headliner.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned for that.
It's right there.
Yeah, we already took off the old headliner off, so we're gonna put new like cloth in it.
And we might do a video on the dash.
Yeah.
Look, show them the dash.
It's all crusty.
All broken. I just broke another piece off of
It's a new dash. So pretty much you must have getting that on the floor.
Sweep it up. But yeah, I have a brand new crackless dash with brand new V's. So
Yeah.
don't cry that I'm destroying it. I don't give a fucking about it. But yeah.
But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below. Tell us what you like more about this truck. If you are into trucks, let us know if you want to see more truck content, because there's we got more buddies with trucks that we could probably film.
Andres.
Like Andres's. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, peace.